So they got this toy thing at 7-Eleven. So I'm gonna try it. It's like 8 to collect. You can get Fire Mario, Fire Luigi, Goomba, Boo, Mushroom, Shell, Question Block, Bullet Bill. I'm holding out for Boo or Mushroom. I don't know, this is my favorites.
Okay.
Yeah, just give me a second. You are ASMR. Drum roll, please. What you got? Got a bullet. What is this? Bullet Bill. Fuck you. Why is that funny? A bullet. A bullet. That's crazy. In this country, we need to get rid of guns. This is my message for America.